Recently, Jianghuai's gasoline-electric hybrid MPV model Refeng M3 PLUS HEV was officially launched. The price range of the new car is 109,900 to 122,900 yuan. The appearance of the new MPV has not changed much compared to the ordinary pure fuel version of the Refeng M3. This design from 7 years ago now seems stable. A multi-frame horizontal chrome grille is used on the front, and a grille is used on the rear row. It has a clearly commercial style with its multi-frame horizontal chrome grille and the structure of the single-sided sliding door. The interior will also follow the design of the current pure fuel version. The top version will use a 10.25-inch floating central control screen, and the mid and upper-level versions will feature dual airbags and an ESP body stabilization system. The length, width and height of the new MPV are 5145/1765/1900 mm, respectively, and its wheelbase is 3,110 mm. The hybrid version currently on the market is the 7-seat version with good interior performance. In terms of power configuration, Refeng M3 PLUS HEV is equipped with gasoline-electric hybrid system consisting of 2.0L engine plus P1 generator plus P4 drive motor, but does not support external charging function. Fuel consumption in WLTC conditions is 7.6 L/100 km.